对，同学们好。So 现在 now we're going to push the mooncake and filling together. So first, 首先 you just use your 手 palm here to push harder. Make it like a circle. Okay, 一个圈 maybe this side I would say 3公分 3 centimeter. And put the filling, right? Custard 奶黄馅 push inside and you flip over. And then use your 虎口 the thumb here and push down. And flip over and try to close. And roll it like a circle. And put on top flour, roll it. Okay. Then we're going to put inside the mooncake mold here. Try to put it. Hold on a second. I'm going to make it so easy to push. So now push down a little bit, couple of times. Don't push too hard. 不要压太紧. And give it up. And then we take it nice. This knife is too small. That's it. 谢谢。